I love growing things that go vertical and try to get as much production per square foot. A long time ago, we used to grow the bush peas as well as bush green beans. And it's a lot of bending over. It's a lot of digging through and looking for them. And anything that can go vertical, now you're standing up and harvesting, right? You're just grabbing peas, everything's easy to see. And that's true with green beans too. These will grow higher than the trellis and start coming down. And you can harvest standing up, and it's just so much more pleasant to be able to harvest that way. And the production is always better per square foot when things are going up. These are the Vortex. They get a little bit big, but if you come through often and get them smaller, they're really nice, so that you don't have the thicker green beans. Thicker green beans I find harder to sell, but they're nice and long, which is good, and they taste great. But they grow up, and that's really, really nice. These peas are Sugar Ann, I think. The real Sugar Snap variety is one we normally grow. We just couldn't get them this year. Hopefully they'll come back. They actually will grow another foot higher. But this is high enough. They're not going to get much higher than this. They're going to stop at about here. The regular Sugar Snap will grow for a much longer period and have a much larger harvest window. But these are really, really great. I grow them nice and thick. And, I will string them every foot or so. You'll see this string down here. And that's just to keep them nice and tight so that they're not falling off and making it harder to pick. Right? If you have a big storm or something, they'll start bending over and coming off. But I find this is really the only way for me to make a decent amount of money off of peas and green beans.